Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you all how to make fermented rice. So rice water is very known, and it's also very known for promoting extreme hair growth. Asian women have been using rice for years, and that explains the hair growth that they have. So let's get started. So the main ingredient will be rice. You can use any type of rice that you want. I'm going to use this brown rice that I have currently at home, a measuring cup, a mason jar glass or any type of jar, utensils, and distilled water. Okay guys, so the first step of course is you're going to want to clean your rice. So basically when you're cleaning your rice, you're just going to pour some water in and kind of rinse it through your hands or run it through your fingers, as you will see me doing here. Very common, everyone knows how to wash rice. So basically this is going to remove any impurities that are on the rice. So once you wash your rice, you're going to drain that water, and then you're going to want to add in a cup of distilled water. So basically I did 1 cup of rice and then 1 cup of distilled water. Okay, so once you guys add that water in, you're going to want to get to work. So basically this is where that fork or spoon will come in handy at. So basically you're going to want to kind of break up like the rice. That way the nutrients can be released into the water. So this kind of took me about 4 to 5 minutes to do. So yeah, we're going to cut this clip short for you guys. And basically when you're done with that, basically your water will be cloudy. So you're going to want to transfer that water into a different cup or basically pour it into your mason jar. And then you're going to want to add some of the rice or either all of the rice. It's completely up to you to the mason jar. Top it, and then you guys are good to go. Now there are different ways that you can prepare rice water, but I heard that the fermented version was way better and more effective. So basically you're going to want to let this water sit for 24 hours. It will have like a sour smell to it, and then you're going to want to apply it to your hair after you shampoo, condition, and then apply the rice water. You're going to want to let it sit on your hair for about 20 to 30 minutes and then rinse and go about your day. So that is basically it, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.